How to speak cardinal. Cardinals are one of the most recognizable birds with an equally unique song. I think their song sounds a bit like a laser. And the males use these calls to defend territory and to impress the ladies. But interestingly, the females also sing as well. And it's thought that females also do this to defend territory, but also to strengthen the bond between the pair, which lasts for life. In fact, males and females have been known to duet with each other. They also have companion calls, which are just small little chirps back and forth just to keep track of each other. And when one bird doesn't respond or there's a nearby threat, those companion calls turn into alarm calls, which are stronger, more frantic chirps. The cardinal songs and calls are used to keep track of each other and strengthen their bonds through melody and rhythm. What are the cardinals saying near you?